Snapz Like Dat TV.
And coronavirus has canceled the weekend. From the St. Patrick's Day parade to sporting events to concerts, no one is taking any chances.
And now coronavirus cases, as you're just getting up in Michigan, now up to 25. That number's certainly certain to go up.
First cough. Second cough. That third cough.
Hey man, you got that shit?
Damn, baby, be like.
God damn, why don't you chill out, man?
And then, baby, turn raw like Eddie on the night.
That shit ain't funny, motherfucker. Don't you never let me see you do that shit again.
They contaminated water. They made it harder for our sons and daughters.
I just can't give you a whole spiel.
Man, that shit be funny. Two snaps.